Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's Charlie Mar Beauty. Today we're here with a wig install from Bling Hair. Yes, I did it, friend. I ordered off TikTok shop. I got me a 13x4, 28-inch, what is it? 180 density, 13x4 lace front wig. And I spent under $150. Let's get it. Yes, I recommend you purchase this wig. The hair is lovely. It's flawless. It's beautiful. Did it hold a curl? A little bit. It was giving body wave. So check it out. I'll go ahead and post an image of where I got the hair. And you ladies, go ahead and give it a try. Let me know if you think it's a good recommendation once you get it. You get what you paid for. Like I said, it was under $150. And yes, I recommend Bling Hair off the TikTok shop. Okay, I feel like a pro at this bald cap method. I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the ear tabs. We're gonna stitch the back of that lace so that we have no lift, and then we're gonna go ahead and glue it down with the got-to-be glue. Cut off the front of the lace, put a little bit of makeup. You know, if you know, you know, okay? And it's 2024. Every lady should know how to install a wig by now, okay? YouTube, is in session. It's always in session. Anything you need to learn, YouTube is the place to go. So that's how I learned everything that I know. Remember to always cool on, when you go to blow dry, use cool, the cool setting. We don't want no white cast. I went ahead and sprayed that Evans lace melt on there because we serious today. Now, if you know or you've been watching my videos, you know I normally use hairspray to glue down my wigs because I'm a 48-hour chick. I'm going to take that wig off at night, okay? But this time we got our big girl panties on and we went ahead and bought that Ghost Bond glue. So this is my first time ever laying down my lace, laying down my wig with Ghost Bond. And when I say I've been sleeping, I've been missing out. I've been missing out, ladies. This Ghost Bond had my hair laid for at least 2 weeks. Now, I did have a little bit of lift with my lace here and there because I don't wear the band at night. But that was an easy fix with the hairspray and the hair melt by Eben, okay? But yeah, go ahead and try the glue, ladies. If you've been holding out like me because you want to secure your edges, don't be afraid. This was a wonderful experience, and I will be using glue here on out, okay? Okay. Now, I did go on with 3 layers of glue. I went on with the first layer, let it clear, second layer, let it clear, third layer, let it clear, and then we went ahead and installed our beautiful 13x4 28-inch wig, okay? This wig is so lovely. I'm going back for more. You know, summertime is here, and I'm going to go get my deep wave. Yes, I am. Anyways, I want you ladies to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how I did. Leave a comment, good or bad. We open over here. Good vibes only, though, ladies, for real. This is where I'll be saying like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. When I say I've been missing out, I've been doing hairspray. Got to be glue. Evans. I've never laid a wig and it stuck so well. Why was y'all not in the comments? Girl, you're tripping. Longer lasting. Wow. Now that's gonna hold. I've been missing out. I've been missing out. Okay, we laid our wig. We're going to go ahead in with the band. We're going to let this sit about 10-15 minutes. Make sure she really melted, okay? And then we're going to come back and do a little bit of style. All right. Okay, she need plugging, but let's look. Say, what lace? What lace? No, y'all can see the damn lace. She need to be bleached. Them knots. You can see them knots. That don't come from me. My skin getting real dry up in this video. But I didn't get to the makeup yet, okay? So bear with me. Trust the process. We focus on the hair right now. Now that glue is holding, okay? I'm combing this hair back and it's holding. No lift, no nothing. I am in love. Ooh, I'm in love. Now, ladies, when I said I was plucking, I was plucking. Okay, and it still wasn't enough. I'm going to show you an image of my sink just to show you how much I was plucking. And I still need to go in and pluck some more, okay? I'm still learning as far as plucking. I'm not a pro yet at my wigs, but I install it enough to look nice, real nice, okay? So we're always learning. I'm still learning when it comes to plucking, but I know you saw that hair and it still wasn't enough. But we'll get it. With enough practice, we will get it. Right here, I'm going in with the Evans Melt spray, and then we're going to lay the band and make sure that she's fully melted now that we just got done plucking, okay? And then we're going to go in and do a little bit of style, curl and spritz, curl and spritz.
I'm sorry, I'm not the way you paint the picture of me. I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, I played the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to.
Now, I've since removed this wig. I'm going to go ahead and get me some hair clips so that I can curl it and let the curls sit overnight and see if I can get them all voluptuous, okay? Because these curls was falling with spritz and all. That's why I said she still give body wave at the end of the day, but she didn't hold the curls how I would have liked her to hold them. So we're going to curl it overnight and let her sit and see if we can get some voluptuous, bouncy curls going on with this hair. I'm going to let you know. So we're going to have a second video coming out here shortly. But in the meantime, it's Charlie Mar Beauty. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, ladies. Love you. All right. Give it up for Bling Hair. TikTok shop. Don't sleep. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Show your girl some love. Charlie Mar Beauty.
For you.